Today's topic is global warming. So we all know that this is a problem facing currently on the earth. So what is global warming? Due to the increased production of CO2 and other methane, that they enhance the greenhouse effect, and that's caused from global warming. So I think you are thinking that now the greenhouse effect is a problem facing by us. But I will say that greenhouse effect is a boon to the life on earth. So what is greenhouse effect? So this I told you, the gases such as CO2 and methane, they will capture the radiation which is emitting by the earth, and they will give that to the earth back, so that the earth will be feeling hotter and it will be maintain the temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. So why I say that greenhouse effect is a boon? Because in the actions of greenhouse effect, the temperature of the earth will be 33 degrees Celsius lower than the current temperature. Okay, then what are the main three things we need to know about the causes and effects and the remedies of global warming? So what are the causes? As I already told you, the enhanced greenhouse effect causes global warming. So what enhanced greenhouse effect? That the production of CO2 and other gases. So mainly production of greenhouse gases such as CO2 and methane causes global warming. Then the burning of fossil fuels. Then deforestation, like the cutting of green trees. We all know that the green trees through photosynthesis they convert CO2 to oxygen. So cutting of green trees can accelerate the global warming. Then we use natural gas. Then mass raising of livestock. Then use of landfills. They can produce methane, and that can enhance the production of greenhouse gases and accelerate global warming. So there's an interesting fact that methane has 20 times more impact than CO2 on climate change over 100 years today. Then what are the effects of global warming? So the global warming is linked with the extreme weather conditions such as heat waves, frequent drought, then heavy rainfall, etc. Then due to the increase in the average global temperature, the ocean temperature also increasing, and that causes tropical storms. Then we all know that we all here currently we all hear about the melting of ice in polar regions, Arctic and Antarctica. That's mainly due to global warming, due to the increase in temperature. Then due to the melting of ice and the rising of ocean temperature, rising of sea level is another problem we are facing. That causes the submerging of land underwater. And due to that, by a span of 50 or 100 years, the many beach coastal areas will be submerged underwater by 2050 or 2100. Then many habitats will be going to be disturbed, such as coral reefs, alpine meadows, etc. And due to that, many species are going to be extinct. Then, as the temperature is rising, it favors the growth of many microorganisms, and that causes stimulation of allergies, asthma, and other infectious diseases. Then, what we can do to prevent global warming or to reduce global warming is the remedies. So, just reduce the dependencies on fossil fuels. Just depend on other fuels, other sources such as windmills, then solar energies like that. Tidal energy is another good source of energy. Then use public transport whenever possible, and you can prefer walking for short distances rather than taking a bike or scooter or car for short distances. Then, as I told you, deforestation is the main cause of the global warming. The main remedy is the afforestation. Let's plant many trees as much as possible. Then, when we buy electrical equipment, buy equipment which are having high energy star rating, other than looking for low cost machines. Then, just look for this fact that is between 8 lakh years and in the beginning of industrial revolution, the concentration of CO2 is nearly 280 ppm. But after 200 years or 150 years after industrial revolution, the concentration of CO2 is 400 ppm. That's almost double the concentration of CO2. Then then there are some slogans written on global warming. There's global warming. We have a solution. Lots of solutions. Stop pollution. Then try to reduce global warming or ready to be fry in the future. Then cool the atmosphere temperature now. Don't use AC or like coolers. Just plant more trees, and by 10 years the temperature will be reduced. And then the main purpose of this presentation, like this global warming, is study to make you understand about global warming and thereby save Earth from destruction.